Hey guys, and welcome back to SvenDesigns video. Today I'm going to show you how to remove background noise from Audacity. So I actually prepared a snippet of audio here that actually says what I always say in the beginning of a video. And I'm just going to use this as an example to show you how to remove the background noise. So this is actually where I put up the gain. So you will hear that the gain is actually up way more than usual. Hey guys, and welcome back to SvenDesigns video. Now you can hear at the end all of the background noise that I have, which I don't want, because as I said, I put up the gain, so you hear way more in the room. So I'm going to show you how to remove that. First of all, I'm going to take a part that you clearly hear some background noise. So I'm just going to say around here, I would say. Maybe a little. There we go, that's a good example. That's purely background noise that I don't want. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to go to Effect. I'm going to go down to Noise Reduction. And first I want to click on Get Noise Profile. This will simply recognize or select the part that I just selected right here and just identify, get noise profile basically of the sound that I want to remove. So there you go, I just click on it and it focused only on this part here. So now it knows what I want to remove as an audio part. So now I'm going to just click select here, down here, so that everything is selected. That's very important. And now that everything is selected, I'm actually going to go back to Effect, Noise Reduction again. And it will actually start at something like 12, so I'm just going to click here down to listen preview. Hey guys, and welcome back to SvenDesigns video. My voice is a little messed up as well, because I'm so close to the microphone with high gain, so it doesn't sound good. But the essential is that I remove the background noise. You can always test it with more dB, so I'm going to go up now. Hey guys, and welcome back to SvenDesigns video. Now once again, my voice doesn't sound that good, but as you can hear, the sound in the background actually reduces a lot and it's way more isolated, filtered, and you can definitely hear that my voice jumps out more and that there are less of those noisy parts. So then of course it's up to you to actually look what's best for in your case, how much background noise and if it affects your voice. So don't do it too much because your voice will be affected by it. I can actually also show you something like 19. Hey guys, and welcome back to SvenDesigns video. As you can hear, it's not that bad, it actually works. I would put it somewhere around like 18 or 17 maybe. Alright, I think I'll go with 19, it's not that bad. For the rest, by the way, the sensitivity here and the frequency smoothing bands, I would definitely advise you to keep them at 6 and 3, so the default ones. And just of course be sure that reduce is also selected here, but that should be selected already. And then in any case you click OK. Now of course, as I said, for you it can be different, and the noise here that need to be reduced can be different for you. It can be louder or quieter in my case. Just be sure that you actually use the preview to actually see what's best for you. And now I'm just going to play it one last time to show you how it actually turned out. Hey guys, and welcome back to SvenDesigns video. Now as I said, my voice was a little bit raw because it was pretty close to the microphone, even though the gain was up pretty much a lot. In any case, as you can hear, the background noise, there's pretty much none of it. For example, if you're recording a video, this is good enough, you don't have to worry about it. It could be different for you, depends how much your gain is up or how much background noise there is, for example a fan or something. If you want to remove that fan in the background, this is definitely a way to do that. If you're not sure about a part, go back in the video, and if you have any questions, be sure to leave them down below. In any case, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave a like, would be really nice. Subscribe would also be really nice, and I hope to see you guys in my next video.